Recycle and reuse higher levels of reclaimed asphalt pavement and shingles in mixes with Sripath Technologies' ReLIXER. The industry's leading asphalt rejuvenator, ReLIXER is a proprietary bio-blend of oils that can be safely and easily incorporated into existing operations. ReLIXER rapidly penetrates wrap particles, rejuvenates aged asphalt, and replaces aggregates. Our customers average 35 to 60% wrap, with some as high as 100%. Costs are lowered. ReLIXER turns existing roadways into the next generation of mines and refineries. Tested, proven, trusted since 2015. Sripath's global network of scientists innovate, research, and test high-performance additives for the asphalt industry. We make asphalt better.